welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're headed to beautiful Lake Atitlán. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the first video in our Guatemala series and our time in Antigua. Halfway to Lake Atitlán, we stopped at Kasad restaurant for some delicious, authentic Guatemalan cuisine, which was perfect for the rest of our journey arriving to the lake.
What's up, guys? We finally made this beautiful place, this beautiful Airbnb here in Lake Atitlán, and we're gonna spend 3 days here, right, Matthew?
Yes, so after about a 2.5 hour drive, 30 to 40 minutes by boat, we are here. So we kind of planned our trip around this Airbnb because as we waited to book with our group, we were maybe gonna have up to like 9 people. It ended up being 5 of us for various reasons. We wanted to get a really beautiful home here on Lake Atitlán, and so here we are. We're excited to show you this. Airbnb looks incredible. We haven't really begun to explore all of it, but we're standing here by the pool, overlooking the volcanoes for what we can see of them because it is a little bit overcast.
Yeah.
But we're excited to show you what we're going to get up to here in Lake Atitlán over the next 3 days, and let's go check out this Airbnb, right?
Yeah, let's show you guys this beautiful place.
Starting with the spacious and beautifully designed living room, which actually was quite comfortable, all the way up to our room here, which you can see sleeps 4 with 2 single beds. And we had our own seating area, lots of terraces, lots of trees, just really immersed in the nature at this beautiful, beautiful Airbnb. And then a wraparound terrace with a view of the volcano covered in clouds. All right, another room here in the beautiful Airbnb, and we have 2 beds here, 2 twin beds. Also a gorgeous view of the lake here around the corner. And then I think the full bathroom is right around the corner here. All right, so we are here in one of the topmost rooms here in this beautiful Airbnb. Sleep 3, obviously, and you know, the top bunk. A little risky, but live on the wild side without a railing. So then we're gonna check out this amazing balcony, one of the many balconies in this place, which is one of the things that sold us. And yeah, this is the selling point, obviously. It's a private balcony up here, and yeah, a stunning, stunning view of Lake Atitlán. And when the volcanoes are clear, we'll have a stunning view in the morning, hopefully. Now, one downside of staying a bit further out of town means that a tuk-tuk or a boat is necessary, but that's part of the fun. Our closest town was San Marcos, which has cute little streets. It's known as the spiritual and holistic center of Lake Atitlán, so lots of yoga and healing retreats available. Super cute restaurants like this one, which cater to vegetarian and vegan customers, but just a lot of cute restaurants. We ended up having Italian food, which was really good before calling it a night, but not before our tuk-tuk had a flat tire and Renato stepped in dog poop with his brand new shoes. Guys, the weather ended up being better than we expected, so we changed our boat day back. We've been back and forth, but we are going to have our boat date on a boat day on Lake Atitlán. We're going to check out 3 different cities while we're here, get some beverages along the way, if you will, and let's go.
And enjoy this beautiful water. Look at this. Oh my God.
Although we only had a short time in San Pedro La Laguna and overcast weather, this charming town offers plenty to do. You can hike nearby Volcán San Pedro, kayak on Lake Atitlán, and enjoy hot springs after a day of exploring. This town also is a hub for Spanish schools and vibrant nightlife, making it perfect for learning and leisure. We happened upon a restaurant called Restaurante El Columpio. We chose it for the atmosphere and enjoyed ourselves, but Google reviews are mixed, so maybe check out some other places instead. Next, we stopped in nearby San Juan La Laguna. This colorful town on Lake Atitlán was full of energy, live music, and street art. Known for local artists, cooperatives, and galleries, you can also take a coffee or chocolate tour, or learn about traditional Mayan weaving and medicinal plants. We enjoyed a nice lunch with great food and drinks near the dock area at Ut's restaurant, which had a very cute upstairs with beautiful views of the lake and cool local art on the ground floor. Highly recommend.
Hello everyone, welcome back on this beautiful trip. I'm at Guatemala. We are here in this beautiful place called Kasad del Mundo, and we have this beautiful view, the volcanoes. And what else more, man?
Yeah, so it is 50 quetzales for a day pass, which is about $7 US, and we saw this all over, of course, social media and also on YouTube. So we're grateful that we came here, even on a day with, I would say, rough waters and a bit overcast.
Strong wind.
But we're super happy we came. It's beautiful. A couple of our girlfriends are going to get massages, which are about 400 quetzales, which is maybe like $50 or so for 60 minutes. And they have kayaks and some additional charge for some of these items, but we're going to have a great meal here and just enjoy this area a little bit and make the most of it despite the weather.
You can have amazing food here, like we say, and they take Zelle or Venmo, right, Matthew?
Yeah, so that's flexible so that you don't have to pay a credit card fee maybe, or of course use your quetzales or go to the ATM. So we're really enjoying the flexibility, and we're excited to check out the food here at Kasad del Mundo.
Yeah.
And the accommodations here look really beautiful, just like all the way stacked up the cliffside here. You have a bunch of different rooms, and the property itself is beautiful. Lots of winding staircases through the beautiful garden and stuff. So we're excited to explore Kasad del Mundo.
Yeah, let's do it, guys. See you guys in a little bit.
We enjoyed all of our food and drinks at Kasad del Mundo before spending more time exploring and enjoying the property. Between the winding stone paths through gorgeous gardens and volcano views, we truly can't recommend it enough. We then went back to relax and enjoy our Airbnb for our final night, doing some kayaking from the private boat dock and enjoying the beautiful pool at sunset. We really loved our time in Lake Atitlán. We were there in mid-February, which is within the dry season from December to April, and although we had cloudy weather, we still found it to be so beautiful. If we were to do it again, and I think we will, we'd definitely choose to stay in one of the larger towns with a bit more going on and more options in terms of both dining and transportation. Our need for private boats and tuk-tuks did get expensive, and to be honest, there are plenty of lanchas or local water taxis that have a schedule and can take you to many of the towns along the lake much more affordably, although with more stops. We found a particularly helpful blog post and will drop it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, drop us some comments, and definitely stay tuned for our next video in this series for our visit to Tikal National Park.
Belize, the whole country.